Hello, first graders. Today is the day where we take your spelling test. So I will read the words to you aloud, or if mom or dad or big brother or big sister is near and can read the words to you, then you can do that instead. Number 1, ship. The ship goes on the waves. Ship. Number 2, shop. I go to the shop to get a new toy. Shop. Number 3, which? Which one should I choose? Which? Which? Number 4, when? When will we go to the shop again? When? Number 5, whip. Whip. I whip my head around when I see a dog. Whip. Number 6, fish. Fish. I have a pet fish. Number 7, shell. I found a shell in the sand. Shell. And number 8, graph. Graph. I drew a graph in math class. Graph. Great job, super spellers. I'll see you next time.